Hi, my name is Tony Cimbalo with Tony Cimbalo Construction. I'm based out of Chicagoland area with 18 years experience in the construction field. Today's how-to video, we will be replacing a bedroom bathroom doorknob. Tools you will need will be a Phillips screwdriver or a drill. Preferably a Phillips screwdriver would work. First thing you want to do is take off the old doorknob. You'll start by unscrewing the doorknob itself, remove all the parts. Next, unscrewing the latch. Next, grab your new doorknob, open up the packaging, unpackage your new doorknob, install the new latch with the matching latch plate, take the new doorknob, lining the spindle up with a latch bolt, insert it in, take the other side of the doorknob, line up the two screw holes, inserting the screws on the other side, tightening them down with your screwdriver. You'll then take off the old strike plate from the door jamb and insert the new strike plate with the screws provided. Now you have replaced your bedroom doorknob.